easy when we go down. You cannot be like easy. No better for you because you have chocolate. Chocolate always. That's why you have big stomach. Lucy yan. Kasya. Okay, we can put later. You see your drink, there. Yeah. Bumalik ako sa groceryhan kasi kumuha ako ng ganyan na ating ilong ko, yung box.
I think I'm sitting backside.
Ang init ngayon. Grabe. Ano ba yung ano ko? Mag-seatbelt tayo. Kapag nag-grocery kami na maramihan, kailangan ng sasakyan. Pero kung isa o dalawa, o bibiliin mo 50 lang or ilang piraso lang, doon na ako sa bahay namin, malapit lang. Ganito lang yun kapag namamakyaw kami. Somebody order online only like this, and slice pizza only like this. Take out and delivery only. Yeah, slice pizza. Yeah, slice pizza, and then for example, like we doing that quick mac and cheese, put in freezer, like we doing, and then put to pizza oven, and after a few minutes. Delivery, and toppings is chicken. Ayun yung the most touristic area. Yeah, may snow pa sa bundok. Yung Yested. Yung pronunciation ng nila rito, yung alphabet, iba, hindi mo may pronounce. Yested daw yung Yested or Yested. Yes. Ay, may snow pa sa sa bundok. Let's go there. Ay, summer soon. We're walking to mountain. Marcelena. Kasi sa Marcelena ice cream sa kanila yun. Pero sa atin pronounce like summer. or what village. City is inside in near our home. Here is no city. Oh, hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin nito. Village ba or ano? Downtown. It means downtown is in our place. Downtown. Yeah. And here is not city. It means like a province or supot ba? Supot. Village or outside the city. Gano'n na rin yun. Ganito yung ano itsura ng ano nila factory. Pwede ka maglakad dito. Tingnan mo yung gwapo niya naglalakad I watching YouTube. I watch YouTube this last time in Hamburg. You know Hamburg, Germany. Yeah, some YouTuber issued something that full of addict cocaine user in one place like park. There you can use free cocaine there. Everybody using cocaine there. Yeah, too many gypsy there using they using cocaine and in that street too. Red lights, they call it red lights. It's like Netherlands. Too many women in a window. And in street too many prostitute. Hamburg is totally dangerous for tourists there because in one place like this, big like this park is yung full of addict. Daytime and nighttime they using there. It's public place for cocaine user, only for cocaine user. Yeah. You need to watch that one. You never been there? Hindi pa siya nakakarating doon, pero taga siya rito. Malapit lang yung Hamburg. How many hours driving Hamburg here? 3 hours? 6 hours. It's near Paris. That Hamburg? Yes. Near Denmark. Paris. No. Ayan. Delikado doon. Kayo mga turista, huwag kayong pumunta doon. Naku. May isang doon. Parang ganito kalaking park. Big like this park. Like this. All is cooking user. And they using there. Group by group. At ako, ipapalabas ko yun. Yung manood kayo. Delikado. Tingnan niya mga bika trees. Chinese, Vietnamese.
Comperione.